Your owner. What's your name?
Em mình đâu nhỉ? Đây à? Em mình đâu nhỉ?
അതിലിപ്പോൾ എന്തായാലും കുഴപ്പമില്ലല്ലോ.
Is this your restaurant? Your owner? What's your name? Namin. Nati. Okay.